Hello. I am the Linux Mench. In my last video, I showed how to install and configure Doas in Debian and archlinux. And in Debian, it allowed me to remove Sudo quickly and easily. And I was even able to build a package from source like the st terminal using Doas for my password command. But in archlinux, it wouldn't let me remove Sudo because they were dependencies. And I had to remove Base-Devel, and then it let me uninstall Sudo. But then with Base-Devel gone, it meant I can't install anything from the AUR, or I can't build something from source like DWM or the ST terminal. So I reinstalled Base-Devel, and it automatically installed Sudo as a dependency. So in my final thoughts, I recommended that if you really wanted to use Doas in archlinux, you should use it alongside with Sudo and not remove Sudo. And in my video, I also asked the viewers to comment if they knew more about it than I did. And one of the viewers did. And now I'm going to show you this viewer's suggestion. So let's get to it. Wow, that was a really long introduction. Right now, I'm in my main production computer. I'm in archlinux with the DWM window manager. And today I'm not going to go into a Debian virtual machine, but I am going to go into an archlinux virtual machine, and my virtual machine is open on workspace 8 called Virt. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to make it full screen. So this is a virtual machine of archlinux with the DWM window manager, and it's the same virtual machine that I was working in my last video. Okay, so I'm going to open up a terminal. Alt-Enter is going to open up DST terminal, simple terminal. And of course, the first thing you have to do is install Doas. Type in a command like that and hit enter. Now, I already have Doas installed, so it's going to reinstall it. So I'm going to hit the end for no, because I don't want to reinstall it. Let's clear the screen. And you have to make a configuration file, which I showed in my last video, and I'm going to show it again now. So I'm going to show you a few things. Number one, let's go into Etsy. Let's ls it. So up here, I have a doas.conf.save. So let's vim into it. You just use sudo, because sudo is still installed. Put my sudo password in. So that's the command. So I put this command in my doas.conf file because the archlinux wiki told me to do it this way. This is the way it was in the archlinux wiki, and I just copied it over and pasted it in here, as you would have seen if you watched my last video. The only thing I changed was I put the word persist in, and like I already mentioned in my last video, the word persist will enable you to work in the terminal and to type in many commands that need authorization, and you only have to put your password in once, and it's going to remember that you put your password in for 5 minutes or until you close the terminal and go back into it. So this command I copied from the archlinux wiki. Okay, so I'm going to close it. So I changed it to save because I didn't want to delete it in case I want to use it again. Based on what a user recommended, and let's vim into it. So there we are. And the viewer recommended I use this configuration file, and it works. And if you watched my last video, you would have seen that this is the configuration file I used for my Debian virtual machine when I installed Doas. And it never occurred to me to try using it for my archlinux virtual machine because the archlinux wiki recommended that long configuration file. I just copied and pasted that, and I never even thought of trying to use it this way for archlinux. And it works. So you can use this one or you can use the other one, whichever one you want to use. So now I'm going to log out of there, and let's just cd out of there. So when I went to remove sudo, right? So let's do doas. So that's how I typed in the command, and if you watched my last video, you would have seen this. It won't let you do it. So I had to remove Base-Devel, and then it let me remove sudo. But like I said, with Base-Devel gone, you can't install anything from the AUR or build anything from source like DWM or the simple terminal. So I reinstalled Base-Devel and automatically installed sudo as a dependency, and you would know that if you watched my last video. And so this is what the viewer showed me to do, and it works. Let's do this. We're going to do it like that. Capital R, DD, sudo. We're going to remove sudo. Now it's letting me remove it. Now sudo is gone, but I still have Base-Devel installed, so I can still build something from the AUR or build something from source like DWM or the simple terminal. Now there's one more thing you want to do, and that's this. Let's go into Etsy. Let's ls it. And I'm going to go into this make package.config file. Okay, so let's just clear the screen. I'm going to type in the command like that and hit enter. And I'm going to go to the very bottom, and 167, I'm going to uncomment it. And then I'm going to go over to the brackets and I'm going to type in Doas. Okay. I'm going to uncomment or activate line 167. And between the brackets, I'm going to type in Doas. And now I'm going to save the file. I'm saving the file and I'm going to clear the screen. Now I'm going to CD out of there and I'm going to clear the screen. In my home directory, I have an AUR folder. So I'm going to CD into AUR. I'm going to clear the screen. I'm going to LS it and there's nothing there. So let's clear the screen. And I'm going to go to workspace 5 and I'm going to open up Firefox. I'm going to go to archlinux. I'm going to go to the AUR. I'm going to type in Brave bin. I'm going to open it up. I'm just going to copy this link. So let's see if we can build a package from the AUR with Doas. Now remember, remove Sudo, right? Let's just insert it in and let's download the package build. Let's ls it. Let's cd into Brave bin folder. Now normally at this point, I check the package build thoroughly, and you should always do that, by the way. But I'm not going to do it now. I don't want this video to be too long. Now remember, Sudo is gone, right? So let's say I want to do a Sudo and try to do an update with Sudo, right? Because we removed Sudo, right? So now I'm going to type in make package and I'm going to hit enter. And we're building the Brave browser from the AUR. We're installing it from the AUR. Now, if you see at the very bottom of the screen, it's asking for my Doas password. So I'm going to put my Doas password in, or my Mench password, and the Brave browser is installed. So let's close this. Oh, I still have Firefox open up. Let's close Firefox. Let's type in Brave bin, and there we are. We are in the Brave browser. So let's close it. Alt-X is going to close it. Now I'm going to open up Xterm, and I'm going to CD into my builds folder. And in my builds folder, I have an ST folder. Let's CD into ST. Let's clear the screen. Let's see if I can use Doas to remove ST. And let's put the Doas password in, and it's gone. So let's go to another workspace and see if I can open up ST. Alt-Enter should open up ST. And it doesn't open because there's no more ST there. Now let's see if we can build ST. I'm going to type it in like that. Doas make clean install. And it works. So let's close Xterm. Let's do Alt-Enter should open up the ST terminal. And there it is. The ST terminal is opened up. How about that, eh? And that's it. In this video, I showed you how to replace Sudo with Doas in archlinux, where Base-Devel will still be installed, and you will be able to install packages from the AUR, the Arch User Repository, and build packages from source, like DWM or the ST terminal. Thanks to a viewer who wrote a comment in my last video, which is pinned at the top of that video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time, I am the Linux Mench.